What's up guys? I'm back again on this truck, and today I'm going to show you how to take out a windshield and a back glass with some cheap, inexpensive tools that I picked up at Harbor Freight. Let's get started. Okay, so one of the first tools I picked up was this lever knife. It's got two different types of blades on it. You stick it into the corner, get a hold of where the urethane is, and pull across. I'm not worried about breaking this again, guys, because remember this glass is already broken. But you do it just like that. And it has different size knives so that you're able to go further in. And the second thing I bought was this wire here. So with this, it comes with a poker to poke through with and two handles and some wire. So let's get started. Let's see how these things work. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to start by doing is removing any kind of moldings that might be in the way for dragging your line through or pulling your tool through. Some of these are one-time use, and 99.9% of the time you can find these on Amazon. They're called universal reveal moldings, usually, or windshield moldings, something like that, but very simple, easy to find. I'll leave a link in the description to some that you can find on Amazon. Okay, so the first thing I did is I started with this cold knife. I pulled it from here to here, so I'm gonna go the rest of the way around and see how far I can get with this thing. So let's get started. Okay, so I've gone all the way around the glass with this tool, and it did really well. There was a few spots where it got hung up. It's definitely a tool where you got to use a lot of muscle, but not hard at all. So now I'm going to start and get this wire going through and see if I can get the rest of these spots. It's free in most spots. It's moving like it's coming out. I think I just got to get a little bit more on the inside. So let's get started. Now these tools are pretty simple to use. You just take it here, slide it through this hole. And there's another hole right here on top. Just feed it through here. And lock it into place. And it's good to go. Just do the same thing with the other side. Let's get started. Probably helped to mention to take this tool right here and slide it to the side. So let's do that first. Okay, now that we've got this part pretty free, as you can see, ran the wire through there, it's good. Now I need to be going across the front here, so I'm going to need a much longer piece. So now I'm switching to a longer piece. Okay guys, here you go. It's all cut out pretty simply. I'd say this tool did 90% of the work, guys, and this tool was $17 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up and support this channel. These right here, I picked them up at Harbor Freight, and I believe you can get this one at Harbor Freight as well if you're interested in just getting it one place, but the braided steel wire did about 10% of the work, and this one did about 90% of the work. Difficulty to use, I would say this one was more difficult because it needed a little more strength to drag it through the urethane, and this one was pretty simple. As long as you don't touch the wire, you won't burn yourself, because it does get pretty hot as you work it back and forth. But as far as the windshield is considered, guys, it's completely removed, good to go. Next week, if you guys tune in, I'll be showing you guys how to prime your truck or your car at home without a compressor. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I got more to come, and especially I got some more collaborations coming up with some very popular YouTubers, so I look forward to showing you guys that stuff, and I can't wait to finish this project. So thanks a lot, guys.